Ever wondered what makes a dirt bike scream and a lawnmower buzz while your car just purrs along? It's all about the engine. And today, we're diving into the fascinating world of two-stroke versus four-stroke engines. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's happening under the hood and why it matters. Let's start with the basics. The number of strokes refers to how many times the piston moves up or down in the cylinder to complete one power cycle. Think of it like a heartbeat for the engine. First up, the four-stroke engine. This is the workhorse you'll find in almost every car, modern motorcycle, and even some high-end lawn equipment. It's called a four-stroke because it takes four piston movements to create power. Intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Let's break that down. On the first stroke, the intake stroke, the piston moves down, drawing a mixture of fuel and air into the cylinder, simple enough. Next is the compression stroke. The piston moves back up, squeezing that fuel-air mixture into a tiny space. This compression is key to getting a powerful explosion. Then comes the fun part, the power stroke. A spark plug ignites the compressed mixture, creating a powerful explosion that forces the piston back down with immense force. This is what actually turns the wheels and makes your vehicle go. Finally, we have the exhaust stroke. The piston moves up one last time, pushing all the used-up gases out through the exhaust valve, clearing the cylinder for the next cycle. So, that's intake compression, power, exhaust. 4 strokes, 1 power pulse. This process is smooth, efficient, and relatively clean, which is why it's so common. Now, let's talk about the wild child of the engine world. You'll find these in things like chainsaws, jet skis, older motorcycles, and high-performance racing carts. As the name suggests, it does the same job in just 2 strokes. How does it do that? It combines steps. The two-stroke engine completes the intake and compression actions in one upward stroke, and the power and exhaust actions in one downward stroke. On the upstroke, the piston moves up, compressing the air-fuel mix at the top of the cylinder, just like a force. But at the same time, it creates a vacuum below it, pulling a fresh fuel-air charge into the crankcase. Then, on the downstroke, the spark plug ignites the mixture, creating the power stroke that pushes the piston down. As the piston moves down, it uncovers an exhaust port, letting the old gases escape. Almost immediately after, it uncovers an intake port, and the new fuel-air charge that was waiting in the crankcase rushes into the cylinder, pushing out the last of the exhaust gases. So, a two-stroke engine delivers a power pulse every single revolution of the crankshaft, while a four-stroke delivers power only every other revolution. This is the secret to their character. What does this all mean in the real world? Let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest advantage of a two-stroke is its incredible power-to-weight ratio. Because it produces power twice as often and has a much simpler design with fewer moving parts, no valves, camshafts, or timing chains, it can be incredibly light and compact for the power it puts out. This is why they are perfect for things you need to carry, like a chainsaw, or for vehicles where every ounce matters, like a racing dirt bike. However, two-strokes have their downsides. They are not very efficient. Because the intake and exhaust ports are open at the same time for a brief moment, some unburned fuel can escape with the exhaust. This leads to higher fuel consumption and, you guessed it, more pollution. That classic blue smoke you see from a two-stroke. Tatese? Oil. Two-strokes require oil to be mixed directly with the gasoline to lubricate the internal parts, and some of that oil gets burned along with the fuel. Four-stroke engines, on the other hand, are much more fuel-efficient and cleaner. Their dedicated intake and exhaust strokes mean fuel is used more completely, and their separate lubrication system means oil doesn't get burned in the combustion chamber. This results in lower emissions, which is a huge reason why they dominate the automotive world and are becoming more common in smaller applications too. The power delivery is also different. A four-stroke delivers smooth, predictable power across a wide range of RPMs. A two-stroke is known for its power band, a narrow RPM range where the engine suddenly comes alive and delivers a thrilling kick of acceleration. It can be less forgiving to ride, but incredibly exciting when you get it right. So, to sum it up, two-strokes are simple, lightweight powerhouses, perfect for high performance and portable applications. but they're thirsty and less environmentally friendly. Four-strokes are more complex, heavier, but far more efficient, cleaner, and provide smoother, more manageable power. The choice between them really depends on the job. Need to rip through the trails on a lightweight dirt bike or power a leaf blower? A two-stroke might be your answer. Need a reliable, efficient engine for your daily commute? Or to mow a huge lawn? A four-stroke is the way to go. Now you know the fundamental difference between these two amazing engine designs. It's all about how many steps it takes to make the magic happen. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into how things work. Let me know in the comments what engine you prefer and why. See you in the next one.